We need to stop being lazy thinkers. What that means, stop being asleep at the wheel. We are driving our lives. We're driving the car of our lives. Long time ago, when I was studying Gurdjieff and Ouspensky, they gave a very good analogy. Your thoughts run your life. Now, he used the picture, the word picture. There's a horse and a carriage, and you see the horse is running and dragging the carriage. This is you. You are inside the carriage, and here are our thoughts. If we allow our thoughts to run without being controlled, then our thoughts will lead us to wherever they want to go. Now, who's the guy in charge? This is our higher self, but it's our self. It's our higher self. Now, if we are just sitting, being passive inside the carriage, we're not going to get anywhere. We'll go wherever our thoughts lead us. So that's why we have to have a higher power in charge. We need to be in charge. And who's the we? This is when we get in touch with our higher power. Then we will go where the higher power has our best interests at heart. And that's why it's so important to trust God, our higher power, or our intuition. So that's our aim. That's our goal. The more in touch we can be, the better our lives will be. Why? If the thoughts are going into the direction the higher power wants to go, then our lives will go in the direction that our higher power wants to go. And that's always for our best, for our better life, for our highest good, and what will make us happier. So we can be in charge. We can be in charge of our lives and where we're going if we connect with our higher power and we listen and we say yes when it talks. And that means listening to those intuitions. So you're on the right track when you listen. Take time to listen and don't let your thoughts run you. Be in charge of those thoughts. Take care. Thank you.